and those capacities are related to why we are all here today. First of all, I'm here as the president of the African Women's Development Fund. Many of you know that the African Women's Development Fund is an organization that I've been associated with for the past 11 years as a co-founder and executive director. As of January this year, I became the president of the organization because I had to stand down from the executive position due to the fact that I had to move to Ekiti State to be here with my husband. So I'm now the president of AWDF. And what we do at the African Women's Development Fund is support women's organizations across Africa with grant making, capacity building, and technical assistance. And in the course of this work, we have supported, over the past 11 years, we have supported over 800 women's organizations in 42 African countries. The areas in which we work at the African Women's Development Fund include women's human rights, women's health and reproductive rights, women's political participation, economic empowerment, and a range of other areas. It is through the course of this work that we teamed up with some other people to create what we now call the African Women's Leaders Network on Reproductive Health and Family Planning. This network includes people who are not part of the AWDF family, and they're here with us today because over the past 18 months since we have been working together, we have been working on trying to address policy frameworks and practical interventions that can enable African women, wherever they are, take control over their reproductive health, assess their reproductive rights, and demand accountability from their government in terms of how they respond to the needs that women have. So I'm a member of the African Women's Leaders Network, and that is the second capacity in which I'm standing here. I would like the members of the African Women's Leaders Network who are here to please stand. Also recently was a member of the National Assembly, is a member of the network, and Sarah Mukasa, who is the director of programs at the African Women's Development Fund, is also here representing the network, and Ms. Fumilayo Balogun from the International Planned Parenthood Federation Africa, the Africa region, is also part of the representing the network. We have 25 members across the continent, and these sisters have chosen to join us in Ekiti as we try to grapple with how we can develop reproductive health and rights policy. And of course, the third capacity in which I'm standing here is as the wife of the governor of Ekiti State.